Welcome to day 4 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Today, we'll soften and open the hips, an area where so much tension and emotion are stored. Sit comfortably and place your hand on your side. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your lower body to relax. Let your hips grow heavy. Let gravity support you. Inhale and exhale. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Sit tall and gently lean forward. Breathe into your right hip. Inhale and exhale. Feel the outer hip softening little by little. Take one more deep breath and release. Switch side. Butterfly pose. Bring the sole of your feet together and let your knee fall open like butterfly wings. Hold your feet and sit tall. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward gently. Allow your inner thigh to soften. No forcing. Just breathe and release. Slowly wake up, come onto hands and knees. Lift your left knee and draw slow circle with your hip. Move with your breath, smooth, slow, controlled. Reverse the direction. Let your hip joint open. Switch side. Reverse the direction. Slowly release. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge. Arms up. Lower your hips gently. Breathe deeply into the front of your left hip. Let the tension melt with each exhale. If it feels good, lift your chest and soften your shoulder. Take one more breath. Switch side. Hand to the mat. Slide your right knee forward for pigeon pose. Extend your left leg behind you. Take a deep breath in and hold forward as you exhale. Let your whole body rest. Let the ground hold you. As your hips slowly release, stay for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Slowly wake up. Switch side. Slowly wake up, come back to comfortable seat. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in and exhale. How? Inhale and exhale. Feel the softness in your hips. Feel the calm in your body. Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for showing up today. Namaste.